So I'm here in the log yard. I've been given the I need to get out. I spent the past week getting the sawmill moved. There was a big pile of logs right here where the track is for the sawmill. I moved that over. We got that all moved a few oak logs. And luckily for me, one of my friends saw me struggling with my small trailer and said, I'm gonna come help you tomorrow morning. So he's brought a skid steer. We got a big truck coming and we're gonna get this pile here, which is all huge logs, moved today, hopefully. So where this is where the sawmill was. That's my old tractor and it pretty much can't lift any of the logs I have now. So we got reinforcements. Yippee. So that's my 18-foot loaded up with a few logs. And we'll go see how different it is in here. That was pretty awesome. An hour and a half total. We got 2 loads in the big truck gone. We got all of my good carving logs out of here. There's a few more that we'll pick with the log truck. We'll get this pile out of here. And then some of this pile over here out of here. It looks a lot different than it did at the beginning of the week. Most of this stuff's rotten, so that'll be firewood for the maple syrup evaporator. There's a lot more opened up now. Still a fair bit to get out of here. So here we are about a week later, and a log truck is coming in the next 15-20 minutes. Hopefully we'll get the rest of this stuff all moved out of here today. There's a lot of junk here, but there's still a lot of good logs buried. Most of them in this pile, and then we'll pile further back here. So we'll see how this all goes and get the heck out. We got the log truck. So this was all logs. We got a few more to go here. We got most of the pile here he's working on. There's a bunch that are kind of crappy, so we're gonna leave them. All this stuff stays because it's garbage, really rotten. My neighbor might pick that up for his maple syrup evaporator, but other than that, it's junk. We're almost cleaned up in here. We are pretty much empty. Nothing but firewood left. Well, we got my pine logs, some firewood logs, all moved now. Nice and neatly piled in this muck. So, start carving now. Some more over there from last weekend. And then a whole bunch more elsewhere. I need more flat ground. So this is a pain. So my neighbor's come and he's taking a lot of the other stuff to burn that for maple syrup as well. There's not a lot of anything left here now.